Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project, we're doing Cobra jawbone. It's a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands of 4 mil thick paracord at 14 inches long, melted in the middle, form a loop. We're going to be needing, for this one, 2 colors, and it's red and black, both of them at 48 inches or 121.92 centimeters. Now, also going to need a pair of scissors, something sharp to cut with, a lighter or some kind of fire, a presser, your finger, back of this, smack it, and all other kind of stuff. Well, let's get busy on this and start this one up. Okay. In between cow's hitches right there, slide it through. Your primary color, the color you're starting with, you want on the right side. Excuse me. Now, start out right side, red, down through the middle, leave a loop, take the left side, kind of cross over there, right down through here, in between the center, take it up through the loop you left on the red, or on the right side. And there you go. Make it a little taut, but not too. Red, cross over. And it's just regular Cobra. Black over the red, underneath everything, up through the red loop on the left side, or whatever color it is that you're using. Now, rinse and repeat. The left side, red, down through the center, leave a loop there on your right side. Left side, black, crosses over, down through the center, up through the loop on the right side, and make it taut, not too taut. And again, and that's the whole weave. Left side over the top, black over the red, under everything, up through the loop on the left side. Tighten, but not too tight. Again, right side down to the center, leave a loop on the right side. Left side, cross over, down to the center, up through the loop left on the right side. And again. And you should have it down, but just in case we'll go over it again, and I'll kind of zoom in for this one. The right side down to the loop, down to the middle, across, leaving a loop. Left side across everything, down through the center, up to the loop left on the right side. And then we do a Cobra tie from the left side, over, black over, under, up to the red, up to the left side. One more time. Red down to the center, even a loop, left side, across everything, down to the center, up to the loop, left on the right side. Kind of tighten. Then and there we go.